Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable grab event titles to second line in calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And next, we're going to tap on calendar. In calendar, we're going to go and tap on the menu key at the top corner. Then tap on the settings button. In calendar settings, you want to go down and tap on the grab event titles to second line switch to turn it off or turn it on. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back. Now what it does is that you can see here, if I switch it on, you can see the text on the event will grab to a second line. Now by doing that, your phone screen can become a clutter from the text. So if you want to have your calendar looks a little bit cleaner, then you want to switch it off. And you can see here, if I switch it off, then the title of the event will simply stay on the first line. If there are no more spaces left, it will just simply cut off on the edge right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.